it's SensationLIVE Salutes, and in this video, guys, we finally got the brand new cozy campfire. Now, it did take a good week. This has been out for a week now, and I've only just managed to get it. Now, it is super hard to get. The spawn rate of it is very, very low, but I managed to get a blue one in this clip, guys, and we're going to show it right now. Very, very excited. And yeah, let's just dive into it, guys. It doesn't last long. I thought it's got an unlimited sign, but it only lasts literally about a minute, and it only brings your health up by 45 to 50%. But yeah, we got the cozy campfire. Let's jump into it. Here we go, guys. Campfire, my first ever campfire. Let's have a look. Drop it. Drop the campfire. Drop it. Put it down. Put it down.
Oh, we need to put it on some actual wood. Can you put some wood down?
Yeah. Oh my god. There you go. Can it go on there or no? Oh! The first ever campfire.
Yeah.
Yes. Finally a campfire. No, I think it runs out, doesn't it?
No, it says use is infinite.
Nice. Let's make this more cozy. Oh, it's so cozy.
Yes, clip that.
It's really cozy.
Oh.
I told you it's not infinite. It's fucking shit. It's fucking shit. I don't know. Oh, you can't even get rid of it, though.
I'm not gonna lie, though, that is kind of cool that you can't get rid of it.
It's cool, but what the hell?
So now I can actually.
There's an ammo crate down here.
Shields. Okay, yeah. Oh, is that nice? Thank you. I'm just gonna put some small shields on.
I can't believe that.
That was beautiful.
It's good.
There was two of them. Just hear me freak out about it. You pop one of them, I just come out of nowhere and down the other one. That was beautiful. Yeah. Luscious.
Oh mate, here we go. You're gonna have to come and avenge me.
One of them is hacking. One of them's hacking. One of them is hacking.
Oh, got him. Got one.
Yeah.
Got one. Got one.
That one was the hacker. I got the other one. Oh wow, more legendaries. We got 2 legendaries over here.
Sweet. How is he hacking? Oh mate, there's something epic over there.
Oh shit! I got a legendary pistol. Fuck.
That's not legendary. That's epic.
Come here.
Hang on, I'm healing.
Do you not want a scar?
I do, but I'm healing. Hang on. I don't want to risk. Don't want to risk having my bum munched up.
I'm building.
Right, hang on. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Look at this pistol. Look at this pistol. You know how you said it isn't legendary?
Yeah.
I just got a fucking legendary suppressed pistol.
Nice. Mate, we're having a good game here. Oh shit, mate, we need to run. We need to run. Get to the zone. It's coming in, isn't it? Oh no. We'll still get to the zone anyway.
We have a few. I don't have an actual AR, and I don't know what. I can get rid of you. Literally, I'm terrible with burst guns normally.
Mate,
and I
what
got
a game. Campfire. And all this shit.
New legendary pistol.
It's a good game.
Yeah.
And we've got loads of kills as well. I've got 2 kills. I don't know how many you got, 3?
I've got 3. Yeah.
I'm going through Salty Springs. I know it's dodgy, but
I thought he was crawling, the guy. And
yeah.
Was he sprinting?
I'm not sure.
Because he moved. You know how quick you normally go.
Yeah.
He looked like he was gonna. Hang on, I'm gonna record the last. 1 sec. Record game capture options. That what you'd say the last 5 minutes, yeah. And I'll look at it after this game. I'll send you it as well, so you can have a look at it.
I'm gonna build a little base here, on top of this little mountain here.
Okay. Well, mate, a legendary silenced pistol though. I need pistol kills as well. That'll be good.
Right, we're gonna build a
through Salty as well, quite without any.
I know, I don't understand that. I thought we were gonna get fucked, but
we just ran through Salty without anyone firing. But finding that campfire though.
There's a door here.
That was nice.
I put a door on the side.
No, I could probably just jump over it from over here. No,
Or not.
Wait, yes you can. Parkour. Oh god. Give me a bloody heart attack, boy.
Yeah, I'm just setting traps everywhere I am.
Dude, there is a supply drop landing as well. One sec, I'll just be right back. Just cover me from there.
Yeah, alright. Mate, I've trapped this bitch right up. Oh no, I can't even get in, look. Even if I wanted to. There we go. Oh, there's a supply drop somewhere in there.
Say what? Say what?
I think it's a supply drop somewhere from what I can hear.
Yeah, there is. There's one literally right over. I just said there is one near us. Look over there. You see where that building is? Where that platform is? It was landing in that direction.
Yeah, we'll get rid of that. See you later, boy. Oh, is it not going to fall?
Upper level.
See you. Now you're going
Was there
by.
actually someone... Oh! Wait, was there actually someone stood on it still?
I don't think so. I just felt like getting rid of it for the lols.
Yeah. Did you build that bit there? Did you build that bit there?
Mate, I built everything.
Just at 195.
Yeah, we'll get rid of that. See you later, boy. Oh, is it not going to fall?
Upper level.
See you. Now you're going
Was there
by.
actually someone... Oh! Wait, was there actually someone stood on it still?
I don't think so. I just felt like getting rid of it for the lols.
Yeah. Did you build that bit there? Did you build that bit there?
Mate, I built everything.
Just at 195.
No.
No, we built over this side.
This is what I've built, all of this.
There's someone near here. Dude, down there.
What are you talking about? Where?
There.
Where's there?
Right where I'm
Oh.
shooting.
Oh. He's coming. He's building up to us. Here we go. Help! Ooh, shit. Shit, I'm going to drop down. Go on, mate. You got him.
Got his teammate?
Yeah. And just come back up to me then. Here, buddy.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Here, buddy. Someone's just stood on my trap. Get me.
Did they actually...
Someone's just... Yeah, they're inside. Someone's just stood on my trap. Get ready. Someone's inside taking some loot. Get ready for it.
Ah! Mother trucker. Behind.
Alright.
Sen, be careful. He's coming up. Left. Do you have any grenades?
We've got nothing, mate. Oh, shit, from behind. There's too many from behind. There's two behind me, and then there was one in front.
Yeah, that's... We get